Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little calm video for y'all, nothing crazy. So recently my hair has been very gunky and disgusting. Like I just feel my scalp just like whenever I wash it, I just feel like it never gets fully cleansed, and I always have gels and oils and stuff in my hair. So every once in a while I like to do a clarifying treatment. I do apple cider vinegar rinses because they have a lot of benefits for my hair. They make my hair mad shiny, very strong, and I could just feel the difference in my hair the second that I do them. So I wanted to share with you guys today how I do it. After so much time slacking on my hair, this is really gonna bring it back to life, and I just want to show some love to myself, show some love to my hair, because I deserve it, period. First of all, before anything, can we really talk about the hang time though? Like, can we? Because sis. I look crazy. If y'all click off the video because I look crazy, I can't even blame you. This is future me just popping in. Sorry if this video is a little all over the place. I'm feeling very all over the place, and as this is going, I can already see that this is going to be all over the place, so just bear with me. What you're gonna need is not the specific brand. All you really need is an apple cider vinegar with the mother. It has to have the mother in it, or else it's not gonna really cleanse and blah your hair, you know what I'm saying, whatever. And this looks kind of dirty. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's just been sitting in my cabinet, so it kind of settled a little bit, so obviously. And the next thing that I have is this. Y'all seen this a million times in my videos if you watch my videos, so yeah. It's just brain fart. It's just a spray bottle. Okay, so first I'm gonna fill this up. I'm going to go about right here with water, and the rest is not going to be apple cider vinegar, so don't do that yet, please. Right. That's about what I said I was gonna do. And now you want to take some apple cider vinegar. You do not need a lot of this. If you put too much, your hair is going to get very brittle, and it's going to be more prone to break off. So please, just pay attention. If you don't have a measuring cup and you're ghetto like me, this is what I do. So hopefully this can help you. Yeah, so I'm just going to put... You want to put some more water. You want to dilute that. Even though it's already diluted as fuck, but trust me. And then... Okay. Look at me. All right. So... This is a disaster. All right, so now it's like right here. Yo, this is like my past month just on camera, just literally unraveling. It's just a mess, a disaster. There you go. I hope that made sense. I hope it did. You want to spritz this all over your hair, on the roots, the end, all throughout the length of your hair. I do encourage you to massage it in there. Give yourself a little scalp massage on each section. It helps restore the pH balance to your scalp. So let's say that your hair has been very dry and just not shiny. It's just been really dull and you're not sure why. This can help your hair, and this makes my hair very shiny. You guys are going to see at the end of this, my hair is going to be very shiny. It's going to feel very strong. It just always makes my hair feel very fortified. I be saying these big words, but it's really just because like it fits what I'm trying to describe. Like I'm not even trying to sound nerdy and none of that shit, but yeah, so it really helps my hair feel fortified. Like it feels mad strong, especially my ends be coming back to life, baby, not gonna lie. This has been my tried and true method to really bring my hair back to life since I would say like 2017 I started doing this. And as you guys can see, I'm really soaking all of this section. I'm picking it up, going to my roots, all that. You really want to make sure that you're getting in there. And now what the fuck is going on? When I tell y'all I'm perplexed, I need a second. I don't even know what to do. I need a second. When I tell you guys I don't know what just happened to my shirt, I know you, bro, like what is that? I'm just gonna keep going. I really don't care about this shirt, but it's just the fact that that really happened for me. Like what even is that? Boom, just like that, I'm done. I'm going to let this sit in my hair for like an hour or two, and when I come back, I'm just gonna shampoo regularly, deep condition, detangle, all of that in the shower, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm styling my hair. When I come back, you guys are definitely gonna be able to tell the difference in my dull, dry ass hair compared to what it's going to be with y'all the following day. As you guys can see, my hair looks so healthy. It just has deep conditioner in it. I just shampooed it, conditioned, deep conditioned, detangled. Look how nice my curls look. Stop playing. My hair feels so soft. Look how shiny my hair is. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see, but it really is shiny. It feels so soft. It was so easy to detangle, and I haven't even detangled in like a month or something. It's been like a month or longer since I detangled my hair, and today was actually really easy to detangle. And I also have an injury in my hand because just some dumb shit, like just dumb shit be happening. Now, the main reason why I like doing apple cider vinegar rinses and why I recommend it to anybody who's going through a very rough time with their hair is because I feel like it really just like resets your hair. Like, if you were having any problems with it, if you just do this, like, your hair is back to normal. I'm telling you, my hair is so soft and so moisturized, and I haven't even really done anything. I just do what I always do. And let's say that this was the time where I didn't really moisturize my hair, it would not be this soft, it would not be this bouncy, and it would not be this shiny. And just to keep it a buck, like, it just wouldn't. And yeah, that is my fault because I be slacking on my hair. So I kind of need to get back on my shit with my hair, but that's coming in due time. I really recommend this treatment if you're somebody who is struggling with maintaining moisture, with breakage, with damage, just recovering from any sort of damage with your curls. Apple cider vinegar rinses can really help like reset the clock, give you a fresh start, and you could just like build on top of that. Like, after you do one of these treatments, and if you take really good care of your hair, you will see it in your hair. Like, it will thank you, trust me. After this, I recommend doing deep conditioners every week, detangling at least twice a week, and always keeping your hair moisturized. If you're struggling with dryness and that's why you did this mask, or if you're struggling with your hair being too brittle, then I recommend putting less apple cider vinegar than I did, just because you don't want to throw off the pH balance of your hair even more and fuck your shit up even more. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. This was just a short little video. I just wanted to share with you guys how I do my apple cider vinegar treatments, because I know that this comes in clutch sometimes. The reason why I'm not showing you guys me styling my hair in this video is because I'm not styling it. I'm just gonna be putting my hair up into a bun today. So why would I show you guys how I do my buns when I have a whole tutorial on it? Y'all could just go watch that. And I'm just gonna put the same products that I always do, that I have in my curly hair routine. So if you guys want to see that and just how I wash my hair, then definitely go watch those videos. But as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone who you want to share this video with. And I'll see you guys in the next one.